Alright. 1 gas tank installed on the 1966 GTO. I was here yesterday when he was putting things together and was not here this morning when he got it in. So anyways, laying on the ground taking a peek for you, but that's where we're at there. Let's do it. What?
I should probably stop making noise over here, I guess.
Oh.
Foose design. Looks like Christmas morning.
Just peeking at one of them, or what are we doing?
Oh, we're gonna pull them out and see if they fit on the car.
Okay.
You want suspense?
Yes, yes. Oh my God, do it, do it!
Actually,
almost wrapped up.
come from Chip Foose, they gotta be good.
They're wrapped up nicely.
Yeah.
Ooh, they pretty. That's a nice looking wheel.
Yeah, it is. Definitely.
Yeah, those are definitely deeper, aren't they?
Open the front one
Yeah.
first. That's the one that fitted.
Oh, we could. I know those will fit.
Yeah. The stance will look nice though. Look, you lined up with the sport wheel.
Alright, I was downstairs in continuing the wheels being taken out, and Jeff finished up the seat up here. It does still need to be steamed. There's some wrinkles because it comes in a package and is folded. But anyways, we are in the process and it's looking good. And the rear seat completed. Also wanted to point out that the guys did put some kill mat on the roof area of the GTO for more of a sound deadening effect, obviously, as well as the entire interior floor area.
All right, so the vintage air conditioning uses the old controller on the dash, so it has the same look as it used to have, and adds it to digital controls. And so it, instead of the lever running a vacuum, the lever runs one of these guys, and that'll give the signal to the vintage air. But took a little bit of converting to make the angles and stuff work. So.
Cool.
Yep.
Unless they got it right here, they want a place, but I don't think I do. What's that?
I know they need like a 16.
Yeah, I don't.
That looks pretty good right there for that.
We have doors on. Beautiful gap. Now, 2 comments on orange peel. Both people said, get rid of the orange peel. Obviously, that is part of the process. Here is Zack right in the middle of it. Everything gets color sanded first, so it's smooth. You can still see a little bit here and there of some highs and lows. That gets sanded smooth, and then it gets buffed. And that's what he's doing right now on this inner fender. So yes, orange peel that's in the paint booth, we take care of it, color sand it, buff it. We would not leave that on this caliber of car. But yeah, got doors in, trunk on. Today we're looking at putting that front clip on, getting the electrical tied up by the end of the business day tomorrow. A lot of things happening. All of it.
Somebody had the organization bug today. Not quite sure who it was, but anyway, there is so much, obviously, you can see, and that's not all of it, of hardware and bolt kits and whatnot that come with these builds. And that, might I say, is a nice way to keep things organized and visible and right in front of your face. Way to go, whoever that was. Way to go.
All right, where are we today on the 1966 GTO? Here we come, you'll find out. Please subscribe if you like what you see. Follow us, and of course, share our videos. 1966 GTO. We need a name for it. Help us out. It is in the final stages of getting to an amazing finished car. Now, this has all been color sanded and buffed with the first 2 stages. And there's 3 stages that we buffed in. But take a look at that reflection. All the orange peel is gone. These panels are laser straight. They are just awesome. Zack is doing an amazing job. Uses as much light as we can so we can see exactly what's going on. Jeff and Mike have the front clip on, fenders, radiator sport, outer nose. Got the air conditioning condenser unit in there, AC lines plumbed. Doors are hung. Now, if you're ever out there looking for the latch keeper, there are some really cool ones out there. This one's actually polished stainless steel, so that will look like that all the time. Jeff is getting in the computer. Now, wiring. Wiring. When you're doing that, it's literally 40 to 60 hours to do all of the wiring. This is a wire harness for the old school GTO and another wire harness for the transmission and for the ECU for the modern stuff. Now, I ordered a sound mat for the first time, actually by accident. It is pretty cool. Pretty much looks the exact same as what we usually use, the kill mat. So it is in the doors. It is in the rear quarters. It is on the roof. We put it everywhere that we can put it. Now, the Dakota Digital showed up. We went with a blue backlit, LED backlit face gauge. And as you can see, a little bit of carbon fiber in there. We did paint this blue, same as the engine. In the trunk, we will be installing the Alpine 4-channel amplifier. Right there. Stereo, ready to go in. I guess the long and the short is the guys are pecking at it one item at a time, and they're doing an awesome job. I have one of the best teams in the industry. We may be small, but we do things quality way. And 2 weeks, yes, 2 weeks until God's Country Car Show here in La Crosse, Wisconsin. So there is a boatload of work to do, but it's coming along step by step by step. Appreciate you tuning in. So much more to come. A lot of work to be done. A lot more sanding, a lot more buffing. Interior, carpet has to go in, the seats, a lot more wiring to do. So much. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. And again, if you like what you see, hit the like button below. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and of course, my wife has been on TikTok for some shorts, so watch us there. Appreciate it. Out of here.